wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Serenitysjt and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be installing this wig sent to me from Gorgius Hair, and it's the 12-inch 4x4 Burmese curly wig, and it's glueless. So as you can see, this is the inner cap. It's the 4x4 closure with the combs all around and at the bottom for the nape of the neck. So the lace looks pretty good. The top looks super natural. The hair is also super silky as well. So right now I'm just adjusting the wig to kind of get it to my liking and see the placement of it to see where I want the bangs to kind of fall over. So as you can see, the curls are also super bouncy. This is the curls straight out the pack. They're super bouncy and the hair is super soft. So this is also a glueless wig, but you can also glue it down as well. But I'm also using just a little bit of this even spray to kind of make it tacky, just to have it stick to my hair just a little bit. And you can cut the lace off. It's not much lace, so it doesn't take as much work as you think. So just get the lace off and put a little bit of makeup there, kind of blend it in a little. So this wig looks pretty natural. It definitely looks like it's coming out the scalp. You could also do curtain bangs, or you can do like the split hangover, as far as like putting a part in the middle and making it look like it's parted. So this wig is pretty easy to style. You just wet it all over. I kind of wanted to make it look damp, but I also brushed through the curls as well, so kind of make it damp, and it really looks like natural hair right here. So yeah, just wet it, keep wetting it, make sure it's pretty damp to where you can add the mixture of your cream of choice. So now I'm going to take some Hawaiian silk or Hawaiian silky curling cream and kind of comb it through the hair and kind of get the product mixed in with the curls and the hair. Comb through and brush it, get the product all distributed everywhere. And this curling cream works pretty good. It actually helps keep the curls in. So right now I'm pretty much drying the hair. I'm scrunching the hair up to kind of make the curls thicker, to lock in the moisturizing cream that I put in, so it locks it in as well. So yeah, keep scrunching it up and blow drying at the same time to get the curls thicker. So once you're done, it should look something like this. I'm kind of trying to tease it to play with it a little bit to kind of get it bigger. But yeah, overall it should look something like this. This wig is super natural. It's a throw on the Go Wig. You can style it for an everyday look. But yeah, so this glueless wig is definitely a 10 out of 10. I loved it. This wig literally takes 10 minutes to install. Like, it's super lightweight. I definitely loved it. It gave the most natural look of a wig that I ever had. So I definitely love this wig, and I hope that you guys did as well. But if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian eyes.